Robert. So glad to hear you got your Illustrator up and running. Fantastic. So, yes, I understand you're behind. I've got the graphic up here, and I can comment on this. I'm sorry, there's not a whole lot more I can really provide you, but I will recommend a couple of things with this graphic here. Let me just bring it down in size. Okay, the one thing I would recommend here is watch your color harmonies. Okay, you're kind of out of harmony here. And one of the reasons I say that is because you're using what looks to be default colors, and I don't recommend using default colors from your color swatches from Illustrator. I recommend using a customized color palette. There's plenty of color tools in Illustrator, and you can use Adobe Cooler. And my recommendation is to use a customized color palette, so we're not stuck with these kind of really kind of almost remedial color, like with the primary colors. It almost looks and I don't mean to sound derogatory at all here or discouraging, but it seems a little bit juvenile in the color presentation that we're using primary colors. So, and we don't want that, right? This is for senior citizens or folks in that baby boomer range. So I would recommend a customized color palette. Another really neat thing you could do is add some dimension to these. So give them a little bit of 3D effect just by kind of get a little bit of side right there, and then add the top squared off like a square, like a box. But other than that, my only other recommendation is make sure that the banner area is compatible and harmonious in the color palette when you look at the other colors, the key colors, along with the banner color. And then also, the key colors right now, I think, are too big and too spread out. So what I would do, watch my cursor, I would take the key and I would place it in an area about this big. Because right now, they're so big and they're a little bit off-centered, and there's a lot of space between, so it almost looks like these are two different graphics instead of a graphic with a color key. Okay, so other than that, I'm looking forward to this. I think you're going to be just fine. So you got a minute here, but the clock's ticking. We gotta get moving here quickly. So if you want to run anything by me, let me know. But like I said, this is great, and your sketches are fantastic. So that's why I said that before. I'm really looking forward to this. Your sketches are outstanding, as good as anything I've seen in the class or other classes while teaching. So fantastic job there. So let's just get the digital transition going, and I think we'll be in good shape. All right. If you have any questions at all, Robert, please let me know. Thank you very much.